Team, I'm sorry for joining late. Yeah. Thank you for understanding. Oh, sorry. I have a company call with my manager actually. Yeah. Online team, my voice is clear, I guess. Okay. So target variable revenue column. Okay. So let's move on. I will give a small recap what we covered till yesterday so that we can continue. Let me walk through the material. Till here, I need to till month we done. Okay. Till months we done. Till here we done. Continuation should be this one actually. Okay. Yeah, good. So this one anyway, I will give a small recap. You will get an idea. Currently we are working with one topic. The topic name is called as a e-commerce purchase intention model. What is the topic name? Purchase intention model actually. Daniel, what do you mean by this actually? When you're talking about the e-commerce purchase intention model, these are all point number one algorithms. These algorithms are helping to find out overall customers are interested to buy the products, overall customers are not interested. As of now, they are not interested, but we can still engage them by making them as a window shopping actually, right? Amazon is giving option for both guys. You wanted to buy a product, you can check. Don't you want to buy product actually? Still, they are giving option for window shopping. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. What do you mean by window shopping? Open the Amazon app and you can just try to play with that actually. That is so called as a window shopping. Okay. Now, yesterday, we have started this topic and this I would like to take this one, make a note on this, and you can just import the required libraries. Oh, sorry. We are importing the required libraries. The next one, after importing the required libraries, loading the dataset. We are loading the dataset. Can I get the dataset, sir, please? Now let me just try to run this. Yeah. Now data set is ready. After this, what we need to do, just try to do this. You can make a note on this. So simple here, we are handling a column name is called as a weekend column. What column, sir? Weekend column we are handling. And the next time, what exactly we're doing? Weekend column having the Boolean values, where true is available, replacing with the 1, false is available, replacing with 0. Same story, we even applied for revenue column also. Hope I know need to focus on this more actually, same discussion. But the next one will be, there is a column name is a visitor type, which is having three types of values. Three types of value, right? First one will be returning visitor. The next one will be others. The next one will be, yeah, so new visitor. You can sense that one. And so this one also we are handling. How you are handling actually. Instead of taking this visitor type column, we are recreating a column. Column name is called as a returning visitor. Returning visitor. And we are using a condition. If condition is matches, replace with 1. Condition is not matches, replace with 0. Am I right? Good. I hope you have seen the value count also. Value count for this visitor type actually, I'm sure on this. Then now you can just have to call here and df dot drop of columns equals to visitor type. Anyway, this nowhere else this column is required actually. This column is not required for us. This column is not required for us as of now. Now the next one, ordinal encoder. Which one? New visitors. New visitor. Yeah, we are making them as a 0. Others also making them as a, why others in the sense, just a small number, sir. Just a small number. We have a 3 values. We applying 2 conditions. If you closely observe here yesterday, this one more 10,000 values actually, this value, right? And remaining values will be on an average, I can sense, yeah, 700 something like a others, though that is a very small number, you can mix with other things actually. That's what we did. That's what. Yeah, correct, correct. So 3, we are combining into 2. We are combining into 2. That's what we are doing actually. Okay. Now the next one would be, let us just have to take this one, df of month actually, make a note on this one, df of month and ordinal encoder dot fit underscore transform. Now the next one would be, let's apply this please. So I hope you know this. Import warnings, warnings dot filter warnings, and here what we need to do, sir? Ignore actually, ignore. Yeah, good. Till now you are clear, I guess actually. Can you give me 1 minute? Online team, hold on, sir. I'm sorry, sir. It's a office call actually. I make it my mobile silent. Yeah, yeah. Ah, is file corrupted actually? Is it? I mean, are you able to load actually? Yeah, okay. We'll see, sir. Maybe other guys are able to load, and what issue you are getting, I will help you. Maybe, Avna, can I look into that? So maybe let just try to download in front of you, will get an idea. What about others? Is that file you are able to download actually? I'll download directly from, let me just try to, it will be more on Classroom. Now, if you closely observe here, this one is a compressed file actually. I made it like a zip file. Now download this one. Come again. Okay. Then you can download from like this actually. This is same thing like a previous file only, sir. Maybe we'll check, verify, we'll verify what issue you are getting. I will help you. Then you can unzip actually. You can unzip, we'll see. You guys, other guys also done same thing. No issues for others actually. But still I will help you. I will help you back to the session. Let me continue, right? Yeah, good. Now one more column, let me show you. The column name is so called as a target variable. What variable? Target variable. If you observe this target variable, revenue column is a target variable. Let's check the value underscore count on this column actually. Okay. Now please, if you closely observe here, let us just have to take this revenue and we are checking value underscore counts. We are checking what? Value underscore counts actually. Now let's run this piece of code. Good. Yeah. So first of all, if you closely observe this, oh, sorry, sir, month I didn't handle like this. I'm just calling unique. We are handling. I'm sorry. After handling, we are calling. That's okay. Revenue column. So the revenue column contains two unique values. Now the first one will be 0. The next one will be 1. Team, let us spend some time here. The meaning into Delsa. Let me tell you. Yeah, I mean to say, first of all, these two are the total customers. These two are total customers. Think like last to 1 hour, all these customers are in open Amazon. Last to 1 hour, all these customers, all these in the sense, let me take 12,000. How much actually? 12,000. Out of 12,000, 10,000 customers they didn't buy product actually, and remaining just 2,000 members they bought the product actually. Please understand that one. Total 12,000. Almost 10,000 members. Do you think who are all login, everyone they will buy the product actually? No, no. Now Amazon, they wanted to know this number and at the same time they wanted to know this number. They will understand what they are searching, why they didn't buy. Amazon is get ready to send the notification. If they're not buying, Amazon will not leave you, sir. They will send the notification. They will send what exactly? Notification actually. Are you with me? Simply they will send reminder also. Credit card details, mobile recharge details. Nowadays everything they are sending actually. Okay. So hope you know that. One count is this one and zero count is this one, and next one count is this one, sir. One count is this one, right? Now let's take this. You can just try to get this one. Revenue column count. Revenue column value count actually. Value count. All right, then. So make a note on this. Then target variable. Here target variable is the revenue column. Target variable is what exactly, sir? Revenue column. Yeah, good. So here we are calling, maybe I'm executing the same example again. I'm sorry. The next one, okay, it's a right time. We already know what is a target variable. We know other variables. It's a right time. We need to find the relationship. You need to find relationship. I hope you know. We need to call correlation actually. I will read this theory. Hold on. I request you. I will come back here. And even this example also, wait. This example also, wait. I will tell you what example is required actually. But anyway, these are all things I will cover. These are all things I will cover, sir. Yeah. This output is important. This output is literally important actually. Come on. If you closely observe this one, the first one, revenue column. First one, what column? Revenue column. Revenue column with respect to the revenue. So we done correlation actually 100%. Right. But revenue column with respect to the other column, what is the next one here, sir? Page values. How much percentage, you know? Almost 50%. Now hold on, spend here. Imagine either you are going to buy the product or not. Amazon will do prediction. First parameter will be, they will cross verify how many pages you visited actually. Are you looking for mobile? Then let me tell you, you open Amazon, you are opening one page, you never buy the product actually. Either you are interested or not, they will try to understand by how many pages you visited actually. That really matters for them. That is called as a page values. Page values actually. You know, either you are going to buy or not. Either, you know, from you company will get a revenue or not. It depends upon first column will be page values. Are you clear? First column. Second column is product related. 15%. They will try to match if you are a random search user. First time you are searching mobile. Next time you are searching dress. Next time you are searching water bottle. Next time you are searching mouse actually. No, this is the random search. Instead of that, they will focus continuously what you are searching. Are you looking for mobile actually? How many times you searched actually? How many times, right? You know, product related information important for them. Best example, mobile, how many times you are searching? Water bottle, how many times you are searching? You know, that they will make a note actually. Product related duration also, am I right? Best example, sir. If you wanted to buy a product, you can spend more time. Over. These are all important parameters for them actually. And the next one will be informational. Almost it is okay 0.0, but still there is some positive value actually. Informational, a kind of some product related information. I can say first top 3 are important parameters. Top 3. Either you are going to buy the product or not, first Amazon company will look into the top 3 parameters actually. Now, I would like to say these are all positive relation. What relation? Did you remember regarding the correlation, 2 types of value? Positive value, negative value. Positive means positive relationship. Negative means, yeah, there are some variables, maybe traffic type. You know, so okay, what do you mean by traffic type? You know, not nowadays. Go back to the olden days. In the year of 2016, I was in Bangalore. In the year of 2016, Amazon, they used to launch the products like a specific dates. Get ready, we are going to launching the products on so date, exactly morning 11 a.m. Then they will try to deliver they will try to open the website, open the products, and they will just try to get ready. You know, we are ready to sell the item actually. Sir, during that time, many people used to log in. They will try to buy the product actually, more traffic time. Best example, DeepSeek. What is that? DeepSeek. It was unable to serve the request. Why? Traffic is very high actually. They are unable to maintain that load balancer. They can handle only 100 requests, but it is getting 1 lakh requests. How many requests? You know, the system is going to get a crash actually. Right? So why? Because if more traffic, no revenue, negative relation. Are you with me or not, sir? Like we do have other. Sometimes the location also matter. Sometimes what matter? Look, why location matter? You know, best example. There are still some locations. Amazon never deliver direct product actually. They will tell we are sorry. First they will ask enter your pin code actually. Why? Just for fun? No, to check either delivery is available or not actually. Sometimes not religion. I'm sorry. Reason matters. What matters? Region. What location you are, you know, sometimes depends upon you are interested to buy the product, but Amazon is unable to deliver that location, negative relation actually. But anyway, you can ignore all negative relations. You can make a note actually. Now, if you are looking about the operating system, let's take a Mac. So a lot of settings required. If you wanted to really buy a, you know, kind of some over the browser actually, they will do a lot of checks. If something went wrong, they will stop the, you know, transaction actually. Good. This is called as a finding, this is called as what exactly, sir? Finding relation in between target variable and input variable. Relation between what exactly? Target and features actually. So how to, can I get a response? Yeah, good. How to find, sir? So simple, you just need to call a correlation method. What method? Correlation method. With respect to the revenue column, where I covered this one, sir, if you want to go back during machine learning, finding the R value, finding, during that time I have covered this kind of example actually. But anyway, let me execute this one, you will get a clarity. First, let's get this. DF of columns. Hold on. Daniel, what is going on? Sir, nothing, sir. First of all, access the columns. That's okay. I hope you are getting all columns actually. Yeah, good. You are getting all columns. Maybe few columns are not required. I am trying to accessing from first column. That's still okay. If you want, you can access like this. First column. See, we are skipping the first column. That's it. Previously, this column is there, but now this column we have skipped actually. I'm sure that's you understand. Then next one we are calling the correlation method. What method, sir? Correlation method. Did you remember? This is the correlation method actually, right? Come again. Yeah, DF of, right? I mean to say DF of. Why? Because correlation is a CORR is a method which is available inside data frame. Which is available inside what exactly? Data frame. Then you will get kind of some heap map. Yeah, see, these are all with respect to the columns. These are all with respect to the rows actually. But I don't want this kind of calculation. What I'm exactly looking for, with respect to the revenue, what about other columns relationship? With respect to what exactly? Revenue, what about other columns actually? If you're looking for that, now let me just try to access the revenue column. Sir, what I mean to say that, see, administrative duration with respect to the row, administrative duration with respect to the column, 100% relation. Next one, informational with respect to the informational, 100% relation. Next one, product related with, I don't want this thing actually. What I want, with respect to the revenue, I wanted to know other columns relationship. I wanted to know other columns relationship. Are you looking for that actually? Then you can just try to apply this syntax. This syntax. Online team, are you following? I just need one response. Yeah. Very good. Very good. You got output like this. Hey, Daniel, revenue with revenue 100%. These are all other percent actually. Then do one thing. This is the series, name of the column, values. I want this one is the first to top value. How to get actually? That's it. That's what I'm doing actually. We are doing, so sort underscore values. Okay. We are doing sort underscore values. Perfect. By default ascending order. See, by default what orders are? Ascending order actual. Ascending order. Ascending order. I don't want ascending order. What I need to do? Ascending equals to false. Perfect. You got it, I guess, actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. So to get this result, what I'm doing, this complete, the whole line, I would like to assign it to one variable. Result equals to, like that. This is still valid example, right? Take this one and you can just have to keep here. Let's take this example. Okay. All right. Now let's go back. So previously I have skipped a few things, right? So now I will explain theory. You will get an idea. Team, I don't know. I didn't get any response from online team. Are you following, sir? I trust you guys are following. Yeah, good. Supreme, ma'am, thank you for responding. What about others? Joshi Garu, thank you. Okay, okay, cool, cool. Let me proceed. Good. This is called as correlation. In math, we would have different correlations. This is called as a Pearson correlation. We can check, hold on. We can check which of the features are correlated with the target variable by using Pearson correlation. By using correlation, we can identify actually. But anyway, sir, did you notice? Once after you find the correlation, there is a one important column we came outside actually. This column name is called as a Bayes values. What is the column name? Can I tell you one small story? I like to watch gold mining actually. Do you know the gold mining? Gold mining. People used to go to the different location. They will start digging slowly by slowly. First, they will apply the gold detector. Now they will identify the gold actually. Frankly speaking, this Bayes values is nothing but a gold for us actually. We are digging the data. We came across this column is important actually. Important means that much important. It is playing important role. It is playing what exactly? Important role actually. Make a note on this one. Okay. You need to compare like that. Then you will understand. Valuable thing. Valuable thing actually. It is having the strongest predictor of conversion was the Bayes values column actually. This column contained the Bayes values metric. This column contains what exactly, sir? Bayes value metric. This is obviously higher, so higher for customers and who are viewing the product and the basket and checkout pages actually. Best example, if you wanted to buy a product, I will check always either I added into the cart or not, either product is available or not. We can do this whole thing actually. So it makes total sense that it plays a significant role. It plays what exactly, sir? Significant role actually. Significant. How to identify customers' interest actually? It's a important and it's a right time we need to recognize a customer interest. Customers who have viewed more product pages and spent longer time and looking at them were also much likely to purchase actually. Am I right or not, sir? If they're spending more time over the product, that is nothing but a Bayes values actually. That more time in the sense that duration really matter for, right? Customer who shopped using the specific browser. There are some customers. If they wanted to buy the product, they will buy only with the specific browser, or else, incognito mode actually. Do you know about this? So best example, you can just try to come here. If anyone is trying to doing any transactions from this one means definitely that, so that customer is going to buy the product. Why? Because do you know about this? More secured actually. Am I right, sir? Right. Specific day shopping. Few people they like, they will do weekend shopping. Otherwise, they do have a sentiment. They will do only on Monday. Am I right or not? Friday they never do. Why? Because money will goes outside actually. I'm sorry. Frankly speaking, these are all. It's okay. Ignore the discussion. Every day is beautiful, sir. Good. Make a note on this. Yeah, good. What we done here, So result equals to we are accessing the specific columns. I already told this example. Okay. Yeah. The next one. Create a data frame with required columns. With the specific columns, you are creating a data frame. With specific columns, you are creating a data frame. That would be fine. Finding the correlation. Let's find the correlation. Yeah, very good. Let's find the correlation. Okay. Next one. With respect to the revenue we are finding, then here you can observe actually. You can kindly please observe here. We are applying sorting. What you are applying? Sorting. Sir, we done all these steps. That's what I told. Ignore all example. This major example you understand. All previous examples, it will be easy for you. Till now I covered actually. Are you clear? Good. Back to the session. All right. Now get ready, sir. Get ready. So did you copy this example here? Creating a training and testing data set. We are trying to creating what exactly, sir? Training and testing data set actually. Now we need to prepare the feature set. We need to define X and Y. The X feature set will include all the features we created above. The Y feature having what exactly, sir? Target variable alone actually. Right? Yeah, good. Now creating a features and what exactly, sir? Target variable. Yeah, good. So make a note on this one. I'm sure you know how to create a, yeah, we are doing data preparation. That's what we are doing. We are doing the data preparation. Yeah, all right. Now the next one, train and test data sets. What is this one, sir? Training and test data set. So it's a right time. We need to apply, we need to divide the data like a train data set and what exactly, sir? Test data set. Good. Daniel, you can just have to train data set and test data set. Function is required. Let's import that function. Now, yeah, get ready. Splitting the data set. What we're doing, sir? Splitting the data set. Okay. Splitting the data set, we done successfully. Let us spend here some long time. It will be helpful for you. We done this road example. Almost we are very near, sir. Good. Get ready to understand. This topic name is called as a machine learning pipeline. Chapter, what is the topic name, sir? Machine learning pipeline. Okay. Very, very important. During interview also they will ask actually. Let us spend here some time. Good. New topic. This is the process of, let us read the theory. I will explain step by step. This is the process of automating the workflow of complete machine learning task actually. Good. Go back to the code actually. Go back to the code. Any idea? Here we are doing feature engineering. What we are doing, sir? Feature engineering. From here to here, we are doing feature engineering actually. That too, feature engineering we are doing manually. We are doing. Here is a counter question. If the data set can contain on an average less than 5 columns, less than 10 columns, that is okay. Manually we can do. But think like if the data set can contain kind of some 50 to 60 columns. Yeah, 70 to 80 columns. I'm not talking about 1,000 columns. Think like 50 to 60 columns. Unfortunately, if you miss one column, gone case actually. If it is, high impacted column actually. Then we need to write a program. That program name is called as a pipeline. What is the program name? The moment whenever you are giving the data set to that function, actually that pipeline, that function takes care about feature engineering automatically. This is beautiful. Conclusion of the story, imagine there is a data set. There is what exactly, sir? Data set. The data set can contain 5 columns. How many columns? 5 columns. 2 are string, remaining 3 are integer. Remaining 3 are what exactly? Integer. Now, you have to do manually. Okay, take the remaining column, integer column separately, category column separately. Instead of that one, if you have written a function, hey, split the categorical separate, integer separate, integer I will apply integer related operation, categorical I will apply categorical related operation. This is beautiful task actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Can I get a response from you? Let's do that. Instead of doing manually, let us automate everything actually. Do you know about the ML loops actually? ML ops, exactly. Almost near to this one actually. Machine learning automatic process actually. It is the process of automating the workflow of complete machine learning task. Yeah. This having the group of steps. It's not like one step actually. It is having the group of steps. Sir, first of all, let me tell you. Daniel, what do you mean by pipeline? Let us read that word actually. Can you read that word? Can you read one more time? What is that word? Pipeline. Team, I'm from village. I'm from village. In my childhood, I still remember. We are 4 members in my family. On an average, let me tell you, per day, around some 10 buckets water required. How much water? 10 buckets water required actually. My mother, she used to almost half kilometer. She used to carry the water. Manual task actually. What task? Manual task. Then, so the day by day, my father, a kind of some, he arranged actually, he talked with Panchayati guys actually, a kind of some, so superior, and they arranged a kind of some, what is that? Tap actually, water tap. Now in my home directly, there is a water tap actually. Indirectly, that is called as a pipeline. Now they made it like automate. What is that one, sir? Automate. Instead of doing manual work actually, instead of doing what exactly? Manual work, create a pipeline. That pipeline takes care of everything actually, everything. But you have to ensure you have to write properly actually. I will show you how to write. This is the process of automating the workflow of complete machine learning task. Okay, Daniel. The next one. This is having group of steps like data to be transformed and what exactly correlated. Okay. Data will be transformed automatically. I mean to say, do you have a categorical data? Yesterday we have a Boolean values actually we transformed. That to correlated. It will check correlation automatically. Either columns are having the relation or not, it will check actually. And together in the model that can be analyzed to get what exactly, sir? Output actual. So it will handle, sir. Missing values it will handle. Min max values it will handle. I will show you. Everything it will handle. Trust me. We are going to write the code actually. This is the major step in project, right? A typical pipeline includes raw data input, okay, getting the raw data. The next one, feature handling. The next one, outputs. It knows what output is required. Then model parameters, hyperparameters also it will understand. Then ML models and what exactly predictions. It make it very clear. If anyone is asking what is a pipeline, this one we have to be answer actually. What is a pipeline, sir? Pipeline also having sequential steps. Chapman sir, pipeline also having what exactly? Sequential steps that perform everything like a data extraction. That perform everything like what exactly, sir? Data extraction and pre-processing to the model, training and deployment in machine learning in a modular approach actually. Come on, let me read one more time. It's a very simple task. Pipeline also having a sequential steps that perform everything like a data extraction. Loading the data, it takes care automatically. Pre-processing, we need to handling the missing value, handling outliers, class imbalance actually, these are all. Model training and deployment. Machine learning is a model approach actually, right? Machine learning modular approach. I'm sorry, it is not model approach, modular approach. It means that in pipeline, each step is designed in such a way that all are independent steps actually. And all these modules are tied together to get what exactly mean final result actually. Are you ready? Come on, let me just try to show you. Fine. Creating a pipeline. I'm going to create a pipeline. Now here, I will follow one example. Take this one. Sir, you need to spend some time. So this is really little important. You need to spend some time. Good, get ready. This code I will share today. So seems to be lot of importing, yeah, real-time project like this only. Lot of importing statements. Please focus on this one. Yeah, we are importing time module, pandas, numpy. I'm sure you know what is the purpose of time, pandas, and what exactly numpy. Numpy. The next one, the purpose for sklearn actually. Purpose for what exactly mean? Sklearn, right? Right. From sklearn, we are importing so and so. Any idea what is this one? Function. Next one, function. What is this? Very good. I will tell you what is the purpose of that one. Selecting the best features, we can use this one actually. It selects automatically. Automatically it selects actually. Chi-square 2, I will tell you. Chi-square 2, I will tell you. Maybe you are not using here, but anyway, let me tell you. Oversampling. Okay, smart we are importing. Pipeline we are importing and we are aliasing actually. Why? Because same name here would have. Pipeline we are aliasing as another pipeline, and we'll see these are all. Any idea what is this? Class. This one also class. These are all classes, classes, classes. Get ready. I can talk more actually. Daniel, why these many imports? Sir, real-time projects like this only. You need to understand step by step. Can I tell you one small point? Now this project, you have to spend minimum 1 week time. Minimum 1 week time. That too, every day 30 minutes. Every day, then only you will understand. It's not like suddenly I am explaining now, you can understand, you can close the discussion. No, 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 it's not like that actually. Please make a note on this. Okay. Yeah. Fine then. So, but if you want more, I can explain more once we enter into the discussion actually. Importing the libraries, loading the data set. We are loading the data set. Any idea? Feature engineering, we know these are all. We done these are all actually. Trust me. Manually, we done these are all. We done these are all. Okay. Yeah, Daniel. So we are finding the correlation. We are finding the correlation actually. Correlation. Data preparation. We are preparing the data. Data preparation we are doing actually. Yeah, till here we done actually. Am I right? Now go get ready. We are going to write a function for the pipeline. Let us spend here some time. Sir, this one is a major step. I request you. I will explain individually. You will get a more clarity actually. Okay. No, no, no. Only one. But initially why I done, for your better understanding. Now we are automating. We are automating actually. Both not required. Okay. Good. Can you talk with me? What I done? Chappan what I done actually? Very good. Creating a function. What is this one? X comma model. What is the meaning of X? Input. This function accept input. Whenever you are calling this function, get ready, you have to give input actually. And at the same time, you have to specify model name also. Okay. You have to specify model name also. When you are calling the pipeline, kindly please give the input actually. Give the input. Input. Okay. Inside this function, what are all steps are being going to happen? What are all steps are going to happen? I will tell you. Sir, if you closely observe this one, inside this function, there is a one line. LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side, N underscore C means numerical columns. Hey Daniel, this one is a data frame. Inside this data frame, I wanted to select only numerical columns. Any idea what is a select underscore D actually? Sir, method actually. You can call one method, and here, what you want, sir? You want only numerical actually, then exclude object. Exclude object. Then you will get only numerical column. Do one thing. Let's do little R&D. ఒక చిన్న example practice చేద్దాం చూడండి. Let's make it today's Friday. Let's take existing data set. What we know that data set, let us take actually. Can you help me? Chepandi sir. Import pandas as pd. Now df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the file name? Sales1 dot csv. Then get the data frame. Demo1 dot py. Go to the desktop and Friday, you can save this one. Now look at the data frame, sir. Good. I have a question for you. Can you tell me how many integers? How many integer columns? 1, 2. How many categorical column? Sir, if you wanted to separate this one, manually you need to create this column separate, this column separate, you need to create a separate data frame. But Daniel, instead of that, what I'm planning, I wanted to select only integers actually. Then simple, sir. Data frame dot, you can apply this one actually. Data frame dot, you can apply this. You can apply this. Dot 2 underscore select. Hold on. I already copied actually, but let me just try to write. Select underscore. Yeah. Please be patient. See. Select D types. Okay. Daniel, what you want actually? Let me just try to select, so if I'm writing here, what exactly, sir? Exclude object actually. Children output also the Did I miss anything? Okay, sir. Thank you. Let us keep hold actually. Now, can I run? Are you ready? Let me run. We'll see. Wow. We already know from our data, on our data set, sir, excellent, sir. We are selecting. See, the beauty is selecting at the same time creating a data frame. That is seriously awesome. Right. You want only object actually include. Wow. Perfect actually. Nice method actually. What is the method name, sir? Select. Automate. Think like we have a 70 columns. We may not take magnifier integer. Sir, it takes a lot of time. Instead of this one, this method takes care actually. This method works like a magnifier. Where are all integers would you have? Come on, pull and create a separate data frame. I mean, in updated material, I wanted to add this method actually. I'm updating our material slowly by slowly. I'm not getting a time. This method is seriously super method actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's just try to, first of all, here I will write actually selecting only numeric column. What column? Numeric column. Then it can be integer, it can be float. Both it can select actually if you apply this. Take this piece of code. It should be exclude. Chappan sir. Sir, my favorite syntax. What is that? Keyword argument. Everywhere it is available actually. Did you understand? So here we are selecting only string actually. That's what even I have done. Are you clear? Now hold on. Daniel, I don't want data frame, Daniel. I don't want what exactly data frame. I just wanted to print just name of the column. That's okay. Then columns. Anyway, this one we are getting data frame, right? Columns actually. Columns. Okay. We are getting only name of the columns as index. We are getting only name of the columns as what exactly? Index actually. Then you can convert into 2 underscore list. 2 underscore what exactly is list. Then make a note on this one. Perfectly we are able to get 2 columns actually. Perfect. Are you with me or not, sir? Now, I'm sure if you really understand this one, this code explanation is not required actually. We are taking input. We are separating. I have a question for you. Imagine exclude equals to object means what are all columns will come here actually? Excellent. Integer floats. Except object, all things will come. Except object. Except what exactly? Object actually. Sir, can I tell you the beauty? Here while list, if you want here, you can specify other data type also. What data type? Kind of some bull. Do you want to, you wanted to accept the bull actually? That's the list they have given actually. Beautiful. At a time, this is seriously good functionality. At a time, you can stop completely few data types, you can filter only specific data types actually. Sir, are you getting? Yeah. Good. So here, n underscore c means numeric columns. Numeric columns. Tell me the next step actually. What is this step? C underscore c means categorical. That's it. Conclusion of the story. Once you get a data, I wanted to apply data processing actually. Then separate numeric column, separate categorical column. Are you with me? Good. Let me talk with the online team. How are you, sir? Did you understand till now? Daniel, what you're doing? I'm trying to explaining about the machine learning model pipeline. ML pipeline actually. ML pipeline. All right. Okay. Thank you. Let's move on. These two, I hope you got a clear picture. Yeah. Separate jobs would you have, sir? But if you know, that would be good. This is also called as a ML ops actually. But know the things, it will be helpful for you. Come on, back to the session. Let us spend here some time. This code I will explain individually. Let me take this code and sir, here you need to spend some time. You need to spend some time and don't worry. It's a very simple code. Please observe here. First of all, I have a question. What is this? Any idea? Whole line is a Chappan sir. Object creation. While you are creating an object, you are passing something list. What is that one actually? List. Inside list, two tuples. Tuple number 1, tuple number 2. Simple. I'm repeating again. Previous step we have separated numerical columns and categorical columns, right? Now it's a right time for numerical columns. What is our plan to handle actually? Then we are making the pipeline. We are trying to creating a pipeline. We are trying to creating what exactly, sir? Pipeline actually. In this pipeline, I have seen the data, right? I'm planning to use simple imputer. I'm planning to use simple imputer. So here, tuple list of the first one will be one tuple I have taken actually. Okay. Tuple number 1. First one is a string, that is okay. And the second one is object actually, simple imputer. This class takes care automatically about the numerical values actually. Numerical values. The next one, scalar equals to, any idea why min-max scalar is required? Imagine, if it is a small value, big value, comparison is too consistent. I mean, comparison is too very bad actually. Go for k-means clustering I have covered. We compared with the yes column, we compared with the salary actually, we got a mismatched actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. So here we have created a numeric pipeline. For the given data, we understand simple imputer is required. What is required actually? Min max scalar is required. If you want, we can include other things also. Are you clear or not, sir? Good. Can I ask you a question? Same thing, how I have created a numerical pipeline. What is the next one? That's it. One minute, sir. Good. Hold on. Simple imputer, min max scalar you done, I guess actually. Chappan sir, what is the question? Sir, before creating a pipeline, just we need to have a glance on the data actually. Blindly we should not apply this. You need to look at the data, sample data. We need to understand. After understanding, you need to confirm. We can go for that simple imputer, or else you can go for mean you can apply, mode you can apply. These are all things actual. Okay. Mem. Yeah, after EDA. Exactly, after EDA. During EDA, you will come to know these are all things actual. Which column contains what actually. Good. Now, can you talk with me what I'm doing actually? I'm creating a categorical pipeline. Then here, list of steps we need to pass. List of tuple. This is the real-time usage of list of tuples actual. First tuple, okay, one hot encoder. One hot, what exactly? Encoder actually. Did I miss object creation? Yeah, seems to be, looks like that. Object creation, I'm sorry. Only one thing, Daniel. It is only one thing. This is completely one step, sir. I'm sorry for this. Now, please observe here. When you are, where, sir? Why you are imported pipeline 2 times actually? Sir, I will tell you. This pipeline is different. This pipeline is different. This one I done alias actually. Where is that pipeline? This pipeline I have done alias. You can ignore this one. I can talk later. Please focus on this. Are you clear, sir? Okay. I will give a small recap for your better understanding. For your better understanding. Sir, this step is not that much very easy. You need to spend some time. Simple, we are creating a pipeline. We are creating a pipeline. This pipeline, first of all, take the data. The next one, numerical column separating, categorical column separating. For numerical column, create a logic for numerical pipeline. For categorical column, create a logic for categorical pipeline. That's what we're doing. Are you with me? I'm sure you got a clarity. Daniel, why you are passing list actually? Sir, syntactically, if you closely observe here, this pipeline syntactically it can accept list. Syntactically it will accept what exactly mean? List actually, right? So instead of this tuple, you can pass like this. This is absolutely valid actually. Tuple of first one is a string. The next one is object name. Next one is what name actually? Object name. Do you have still any doubt actually? Hold on. If you want, let me show you. So look at my screen. Class Daniel DEFM1 self print of hello. We know this code. Am I right? Good. Hold on. If you know this code actually, A equals to 10, 20. Let us just have to print A. Okay, good. No demo one. Am I in same folder? Desktop Friday. Daniel, you should be in Friday, right? Sir, you have to practice. Slowly by slowly, you will get an idea. Instead of list, okay, instead of list, can I store this D object actually? Sir, you can store. You are eligible actually. You are eligible. You can store. You can store. You can store. Right. If you want, you can just have to print this one, you know. Wow. Yeah, Daniel, list of, it is storing the object name. It the syntax is absolutely valid actually. Please make a note on this one. A equals to list of, I'm creating a list actually. Tuple I am taking. First one, Daniel object information I am giving. I'm creating an object actually. Are you with me or not, sir? If you look at the code, exactly it is happening in the same. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, simple. You need to spend some time, right? Yeah, Daniel. Yeah, good. So list of tuple actually. List of what exactly meant tuple actually. So you need to walk through this example, you will get an idea. Supreme ma'am, tomorrow do we have a class? Maybe I will update tomorrow. I will update this night actually, maybe before 10. We have some production issues office actually, but I will try. Okay. Yeah. One junior is facing issue. Good, good. Anyway, back to the session. Back to the session. We are almost very near. Currently, what you are discussing, Daniel, actually, I'm explaining about the pipeline explanation. How to create a pipeline, I'm explaining that. Make a note on this one. Yeah, good. Model pipeline. Select underscore D types. Yeah, select underscore D types. Include object and exclude object actually. Columns. Two list actually. Two what exactly, sir? List. Okay, good. Pipeline. Numerical pipeline. Categorical pipeline. Can I ask you one question? Come on, look at my screen. Look at my screen. Hold on. Sir, for numerical column, we created a numerical pipeline. Cheppandi, sir. Yeah. Categorical column, we have created a. Now we need to combine. We need to apply operation. Then only operation can perform. Am I right? Right. To apply that operation, the next step would be, we are almost very near, sir. Take this code again. Actual Python data structures we are using in this example actually. Again, same story. That's what I told. You need to spend minimum you need to spend 1 week time actually. Here you need to pass as a C. Pre-processor. I wanted to pre-process the data. Then column categorical data, numerical data. Column transformer. Cheptara sir, what is a class? And whole line is a object creation. For that object we are passing list of two tuples. First tuple is okay, numeric underscore pipeline. Somewhere we have created actually. For numerical pipeline object, numerical column. Categorical pipeline object, categorical column. Come on, you should know this one actually. If you closely observe here, yeah, good, Daniel. Numerical column, yes, we are passing here. Numerical pipeline, okay, this we are using. Categorical column, yes, categorical pipeline. Categorical, what exactly? Pipeline. Are you with me? Good. I will give you a recap one more time, but not now. Now, I'm sure you know simple imputer, max scalar, pipeline actually, but you are not aware about the column transformer, right? Go to the document, kindly please observe here. Create a model pipeline. Now we need to create a model pipeline for our project. This pipeline handle the encoding of data using column transfer. Okay. This pipeline completely depends upon column transformer. By using this, we can even avoid so manually generating some of the features we can create it above. Yeah, good. By using this, we can just have to avoid manual feature handling actual. This also impute. Okay, very good, sir. This can handle missing values automatically. This can handle what exactly? Missing values automatically. There is a one question. Let me look into that. Sir, let me tell you. Manual feature engineering is not required. Creating a pipeline is fine. But if you are master in manual work, pipeline you can understand very easily. If you are master in manual work, if you know how to handle missing value, then suddenly some new class name, it is handling automatically. You can understand what it is doing in the backend actually. Am I right or not, sir? First of all, be strong in manual. That's what I covered manual. Now automatic you will understand clearly. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Okay. Now this also imputes any missing values with realistic value. Okay, it can handle many things. The column transformer, it is such a powerful. Do you have any missing values? Actually, it will handle automatically. It scales the data before. Very good, sir. Scale in, scale up. Min max scalar, it will do automatically. We don't need to specify. It can handle. That's the beauty actually. It can handle. Okay, so small recap. Why? Because this one is a major functionality. Simple, we are creating a function for model pipeline. Input model. We had to call this function. Maybe tomorrow I will show you how to call actual. The next one would be a numerical column, categorical column. We are separating. For numerical column, numerical pipeline I have written. Categorical column, I have written categorical pipeline actually. I have written what? Categorical pipeline. Now, column transformer. What is that? Column transformer. So we are creating an object for the column transformer. That is still okay. Now here we are creating an object. Column transformer is such a the name itself is telling if it is a numerical column, tuple it is taking actually. First one, tuple of three values, value number 1, value number 2, value number 3, string, numerical underscore pipeline, n underscore c, categorical column, categorical underscore pipeline. Sir, did you remember these two we created actually? We are passing. Simple, sir, we are binding into one list of tuple, we are sharing. We are binding into one list of tuple and we are what exactly, sir? Sharing actually. Remainder pass through. This is still some optional parameter, that's still okay. Can I continue tomorrow? If I start here, it takes some time, but we are almost very near. Come again. This one you are asking. I can talk tomorrow, ma'am. You are asking about this one? Yeah. If you are looking for more explanation, sir, you can use still ChatGPT. You can just have to copy paste the code and you can ask. It will give nice explanation. I'm sorry, hold on. Let me load the running nodes. What happened? Final code. Okay. Yeah, team, thank you. We done today's session. This file you can run actually.